Today we are testing a new free tool called the Bears Bulls Impulse, also known as the Elder Ray Index, a trading indicator that claims to show who is really in control of the market, buyers or sellers. And the real question is simple: does it actually work in live trading? That's exactly what we are going to find out. I'm ATP and let's get started. The Bears Bulls Impulse was developed by Dr. Alexander Elder with a very simple but powerful idea in mind. Instead of guessing trends or reacting to price alone, he wanted to measure pressure, real pressure, buying pressure against selling pressure. And so his indicator does this by comparing price extremes to a moving average, splitting that information into two components, the bull power and the bear power. When bulls dominate, bullish pressure increases. When bears dominate, selling pressure takes control. In theory, this gives you a direct window into market strength, not just to price movement. On TradingView, simply click on the Indicators tab, type Bears Bulls Impulse and you can use this one here. However, as you can see, it comes with a major problem. In its default settings, the indicator is extremely noisy, and that's why before testing anything, I went through multiple inputs to find something more robust. After some time, the setting that consistently reduced noise and improved structure was a period of 32. It smooths the impulses enough to filter randomness, whilst reacting fast enough to capture meaningful shifts in pressure. Now let's define the signals clearly. A buy signal appears when the Bears Bulls Impulse shifts into a bullish zone, showing that buying pressure is starting to dominate. A sell signal is the opposite, when bearish pressure takes over and the indicator flips negative. Simple and objective. If you want something more practical, especially if you are a beginner, I have shared a free upgraded version of this indicator on my Discord. It plots clear buy and sell signals on the chart and also lets you create TradingView alerts. You can find it on the free materials channel. Just copy the code, open Pine Editor, click on Create New Indicator, paste the code and add it to your chart. No cost and no catch. It is just there to make testing and learning easier. But as always on this channel, we don't trade signals in isolation, context matters. That's why we'll apply a 200 EMA as our baseline. Long trades are only valid when the price is above the 200 EMA, and short trades are only valid when the price is below it. This keeps us aligned with a broader trend and avoids fighting higher time frame structure. For risk management, we are using the ATR bands with a multiplier of 2. Stops are placed dynamically based on volatility, not guesswork. For long positions, the lower band is used to place the stop loss, and for shorts, the upper band. And for this test, we'll keep things straightforward, with a fixed take profit of 1 to 1.5. Now let's talk about the test itself. We are testing a full 3-year period from January 2023 to December 2025. The assets are the same 5 I use consistently: Bitcoin, Euro USD, Gold, the S&P 500 and one stock, in this case Tesla. And we'll test 4 different time frames to cover multiple trading styles from scalping to swing trading. To run this efficiently and without bias, everything is tested using the Indicators Testing Bot. This is exactly how I test every indicator on this channel. It allows me to apply the same rules across all assets and time frames, generate thousands of trades automatically, and extract clean performance data in seconds instead of weeks. It already includes more than 100 indicators that you can use alone or in strategies, among lots of other features. Many of you already use it and the feedback I get is always the same. Once you test like this, you never go back to guessing. So I run the system across all assets and timeframes, and then I pull the results. And here's where things get interesting. On the 5-minute time frame, the strategy reached around 160% in profit with a win rate around 37%. That sounds great, but the downside is obvious. The max drawdown went above 100%, which makes this setup extremely unstable. Next, on the 30-minute chart, profit increased to 246%, with a win rate around 39%. The equity curve is slightly cleaner and Bitcoin performed best, but drawdowns remain excessive. The 1-hour time frame showed about 91% profit and the win rate also close to 39%. Gold was a top performer, but once again, volatility and drawdown are simply too aggressive. And finally, on the daily time frame, we had around 13% profit, a 41% win rate and a rising equity curve, but still not very smooth. So the conclusion is clear. The bears bulls impulse can be profitable, but it's not robust on its own. Without additional filters, it produces unstable equity and deep drawdowns. This is an indicator that needs extra momentum and volume confirmation to become truly tradable. A quick disclaimer, these results are based on this specific setup, this specific period and this exact rule set. This is not a promise of future performance and it's not financial advice. Always test your own ideas before risking real capital. Now, as a quick note, because I get this question a lot, all these stats come straight forward from TradingView. I export the data and drop it into my own Excel template, which does all the calculations automatically. If you want to analyze your own strategies the same way, that template is available on my website. Completely optional, just a tool if you need it. So where does this indicator land? When we compare it to the full indicators ranking table, the bears bulls impulse does not dominate the top spot, but it earns its place as a solid mid performer, and that opens the door for future videos. If there is an indicator you want me to test next, leave it in the comments. If it's testable, I will put it through the same process. And if you want to understand how I run these tests or build systems like this yourself, check the links in the description. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, a like really helps more than you think, and subscribe if you are new here. I'm ATP, stay sharp, trade smart, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.